Hi everyone, Steve Scott here from Brite Decking, and I'm your decking specialist. I've been in the decking industry for 26 years, so 1999, and I'm here to share the knowledge and the expertise of multiple installations and projects with you to achieve the end goal you're looking for. From cleaning, and regular maintenance, and quick fixes for common problems, we've got you covered. Follow us for expert advice and step-by-step guide and creative ideas to make your deck possibly look a little bit more unique than just a bland square or bland oblong shape. Together, we can transform your outdoor deck into a unique living space for you and your family, something you've always dreamed of. Remember, if it's not bright, it's not right.